Hello everybody, I hope you are having a fantastic day today. It is March 10th and last video we took a look at Zomedica that is developing the first TSH for cats. Today I want to take a look at this penny stock Ark Invest just purchased. So before we get into that, all I ask is for you guys to subscribe and like the video. It helps a ton as I am a new channel. Alright, let's get right into this video. The stock I am talking about is Cant, or ticker symbol TMDA. Cant is a pharmaceutical company focused on plasma-derived protein therapeutics for orphan indications. They have a commercial product portfolio and a robust late-stage product pipeline. The company uses its proprietary platform technology for extraction of proteins from human plasma to produce its products. As you can see here, Ark has been buying this thing ever since $6 back in January of 2021. They have increased their holdings all the way up to about 861,000 shares, which equates to about $7 million. Here you can see what fund they are in. They are in IZRL. IZRL is for Israeli companies, and they have a whole ETF for that. Now, they do have a Ark ownership of 2% of this company, and they will be having earnings very soon in, I believe, May 17th pre-market. Here you can see their earnings. They have missed earnings a little bit, but they are looking for that. That is what Ark is looking for. They are looking for companies that are spending money now to be profitable later. Now, Cant has a product line of 6 plasma-derived pharmaceutical products that are being marketed and distributed in more than 15 countries, including Israel, Russia, Brazil, India, and Asia. They currently have late-stage products in development, including an inhaled AAT for the treatment of AAT deficiency. AAT deficiency is an inherited condition when one or both parents pass on to their children an abnormal version of a gene that regulates the production of the AAT protein. Depending on the condition of the inherited genes, a person's AAT levels may be normal, reduced, or absent. The company also leverages its expertise and presence in the plasma-derived protein therapeutics market by distributing more than 20 products in Israel that are manufactured by third parties. Here you can see their news. The most recent, yesterday, March 9th, 2021, Cant to present at the Jefferies Global Plaza Summit. They are a pretty fast-growing company, and I believe this stock is a buy under $10, especially how Cathie Wood has been purchasing it for her fund. It looks like this company will be one of the front runners in the genomic revolution soon to come with gene editing. The gene editing and pharmaceutical sector is a very lucrative sector, especially when you start to receive royalties. In the last year, it has gone up 15%, but that is not a lot for the rally that we have seen ever since March of 2020. I believe the longer the base, the more chance of a breakout, just like right here in August of 2020. And here with a little bit of a tech boom in February of 2021, now we are going lower and lower into the mid $6 a share. I do think that is a very good price for this stock. I definitely will be buying some myself. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I plan on covering more on penny stocks, options, educational videos on how to get started. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. I'll see you in the next one.